Hello everyone, today we're making an Eid decoration. You will need thread, scissors, hole puncher, a cardboard plate, some paint and pencils. First, draw a half moon on the cardboard plate. Now cut it out. Take the part you cut out and write Eid Mubarak on it. Take another part and draw a star on it. Now cut these out. After that, take a hole puncher and make a hole on the top of the plate like this. Take the thread through the hole like this. Adjust how long you want the thread to be and cut it. Tie it at the bottom. Tape the Eid Mubarak and the star on the plates. Time to paint and color it as you want. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Eid Mubarak.